Now children, second video I am continuing. Children, this is second video. You have to see two videos in that. Okay? Now, same thing. Now we will talk about how they will use the animals. Right? Now, this is same animal transport only. Using animal transport. First one, in place where vehicles cannot travel, like deserts, mountains, forests. Okay? The second one does not need fuel. Then there is no need for fuel. Okay? That is for animals. Whereas for vehicles we need fuel. Now, not using animal transport, it leads to cruelty to animals. Children sometimes they used to beat very cruelly. They'll do these people. They will not look after the animal children properly. Second one, they have to carry heavy loads and they have to keep heavy loads on them. Poor thing, they with that heavy loads, how they will walk children? They are tireless. They will not give time to stand for 2 minutes also. They have to keep on going, traveling with the heavy loads. Like so, this is also cruelty. So mostly we should not use animal transport. Okay, you understood? Okay, I'll say some few points. Children, afterward I'll tell you one story also. Okay. Now in short I will tell you this story. This is a story about the Badal story. Right? Now the story is about a horse who is telling its own story. Animals carry things and people on their backs or pull carts or carriage. We can choose to stop when we are tired, but animals may not be able to tell anyone that they are tired. They can't say, no children, that they are tired. It will depend on how kind the owners is to give the animals some rest. It depends on the owners. Okay, that I will read. Now, few points I will explain you. Children, in some places it may be difficult to use motor vehicles, so we use animal transport. Many people earn their living by carrying goods and people on animals. May people like the horses, masters in the story, are kind to their animals. Some people may treat them cruelly. It is important to understand how much load an animal can carry or pull and for how long, so that it does not harm the animal. Even if they are keeping the loads, they must see children how much they can carry. Right? For example, children, if somebody gives load on us to carry and walk, can we? No. So like that way, we must treat animals nicely. Okay? Caringly. We must take care. Animal care you have already learnt in small classes. When animals are used to travel across difficult roads, regions like desert, hills, mountains and forests, it is necessity. Horses carries. Now, in some region, we will go through animals only. We can't go by vehicles. Horse carriage or tonga may not be necessary these days because they are usually used for fun rides. Okay. Now Take out your reader, children. Now children, take out your reader, that is block 23. I'll read the story, Badal story. I am Badal. My master gave me this name when I came to live with him 3 years ago. I pulled my master's beautiful carriage. You know what a carriage is, don't you? Well, it is a kind of car with wheels but without an engine. You can see this picture. This is Tanga actually. It has got wheels. And who is riding here? Who? Horse. Right. It is made of wood and wheels are made of wood, has step for people to climb up. One step is also there. You can see in this picture, children. They can climb into it and sit on the benches, like benches they have. My master takes the carriage to the beach every day. Men, women and children love to ride on it as I take them around the beach. There are many other like me who pull carriages too. For fun, they carry people on the carriage on the beaches. Like that, they will earn children their livelihood. These men, okay, them around the beach. There are many other like me, okay, but they work more than I do. Sometimes when they are tired, their masters beat. Now what this horse is seeing other people, he sees that some people they used to beat them, their master, them with stick so that they move faster. My master is kind. That means this horse master is very kind. He never beats me. At night when we go back home, he rubs oil on my tired legs. So nice, no? Very good master is. Yes, like that we have to take care of the animals because they also work for us, not children? So we also have to look after them. And feeds me well. Yes, food also he gives properly. At times I get tired too, but when I think of my master, I feel like doing his work. Why he feels, children? Why he feels? When he is tired also, he feels that he want to do the work. Why, children? Because his master is taking care for him. That means that animal is also taking care for him also, right? That is what you must show kindness. After all, this is the only way he earns money. He thinks about his master also, children. Though he is an animal, he can't talk, but he understands. He is old. That master is also very old and he lives on this only earning. If he did not have me or this carriage, he would have had no money to buy food. I don't like some of the children who come to ride the carriage. Sometimes they pull my tail and that hurts. Yes, children, if you are sitting and riding also, you should not pull their tail or hurt them, okay? Animal is also like human being, how we feel, they also feel. They hurt. Now you understood this, children? Okay. Now children, take out your workbook. 37 we have already done for first video. Now second video, page number 38. Take out page number 38. Second page. Now second question. Look at the picture and fill in the table. Now first picture A, A is what? Horse. You're saying horse or donkey it is looking. Like that way, mule. Then bullock cart. Then what you're saying? Camel, carriage. Now, A, mule or donkey. 1 minute. Animal being used. A, mule, donkey. Why is it being used to carry people and loads? Why is it being used for mountain and deserts? Mountains. Now, B, bullock cart to carry people and things, village. Yes. C, camel to carry people and things, desert. Now, third question, write one difference and one similarity between animal transport and motor transport. Now, so you have to write one thing, that is difference and similarity. Now, difference. Animal transport does not need fuels like petrol or diesel, but motor vehicles do. Similarity, both animals transport and motor vehicles connect places. Now, please see one time, children. 1 minute. I'll show the video. Did you see? This is over, children. You understood, no? 2 pages, children. That is page 37, first part, first video, that is. Please listen properly, ma. Then second page, second video. 2 videos separate, okay?